Hello dear, welcome here in this video, and I think that you have clicked on this video for a purpose, for a thing, for learning English. And if you have clicked, then this your purpose is not going to be waste. You will learn something by this video, but you all will have to stay connected with me till the end. Yes my dear, we are going to talk about English speaking. English speaking is not very difficult, and it's, if I talk about another thing, then it is also not like halwa. Yes, it's not very easy, it's not very difficult, and both the sentences are contrasting. Yes my dear, both the sentences are contrasting. I think you have understood what I want to say. Yes my dear. So, if you want to learn English, then what you will have to do, you all will have to do four things. Only four things are required, and some other things are also required, but four things are most required for learning a language, for speaking a language. What four things are most required? First is reading, listening, writing, or speaking. If you want to learn a language, then you all will have to do these four things: reading, writing, listening, or speaking. Yes, my dear, there is nothing difficult. If you want to learn English, then you can learn English. If you from village area, then you can speak English very confidently and very fluently, because if I can speak, then why can you not speak? Just focus on reading, listening, writing, or speaking. And most important thing is speaking. You all will have to start speaking from day one. Yes, if you have started everything, then start speaking also, because speaking is very important. There is, if you will do everything, if you don't do speaking, then everything is waste. Yes, my dear, do speaking daily of 10 minutes, of 20 minutes. You all will have to do speaking, my dear, because I started recording video, but before this I had spoken a lot. Before starting this recording video, I spoken a lot. I had spoken a lot. I want to say to this to all of you. So if I had do practiced a lot, I had done lots of efforts, I had put many efforts. So if I had put, then you all will have to put many efforts. And if you are ready to put efforts, then that's right. There is nothing difficult in learning English. Yes my dear, you all can learn English speaking. If you want to learn, then you can learn. If you don't want to learn, but why will you think about it? I don't want to learn. You want to learn, that's why you came here. Yes or not? Definitely yes. So my dear friends, if this video was helpful, and if there was something very helpful, so please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, my dear. I say to all of you my dear, because I like to say my dear. I don't say friends and guys and any other word. For all of you, I say my dear. Is it nice or not? Say yes or no in the comment section. Is this word is nice for all of you or not? So that's it my dear. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye bye. Stay connected with me.